Behold the chests of legend, forged not from oak and iron, but from code, patience, and an unhealthy fascination with cubes. Their surface shimmers with enchantment, proof that even in this realm, magic can be achieved with the correct layer height. Each one awaits its purpose, to store the sacred, the useful, and the mildly ridiculous. Listen closely. The chests breathe. They hunger. And so, the summoning begins. The ritual of the forge commences. Spools of filament feed the beast. The printer sings its monotonous hymn. Each note another line of its destiny. Wood-colored PLA, humble, dependable. A single strand becomes timber. 1,000, a chest. Even the cat bears witness, for all great rituals require a furry familiar. The settings are locked, the offsets aligned, and the chests, they slowly rise from the void. And upon the holographic plate, true enchantment. A shimmer worthy of any enchanted pickaxe. The forge giveth form, and also support material. Every relic carries scars from its creation. A maker's knife becomes the scalpel of rebirth. I carve away the remnants of chaos, revealing the clean geometry beneath. Debris fall like ancient bark from a tree reborn. At first, I doubt the result. It hardly resembles the chest of legend.
There's no way. This doesn't look like a Minecraft chest at all.
But one piece after another clicks into place, and suddenly, it all makes sense. Creation is never instant. Even gods must glue. Superglue, our alchemist's bonding agent, a potion of permanent affixation, welds the core and the shell as one. Each piece aligns by design and sheer stubbornness. Side panels, back walls, the sacred lid. Each press a prayer, each click a victory. hinges demand iron. So steel rods are cut and tamed until they fit the chest as sinew to bone. The crowd, though imaginary, is impressed. But the chest slides like a block of ice. The curse is broken by rubber feet. Powerful upgrade known to man. Friction. Even the sacred tarot cards now rest within. Divination meeting fabrication. The lid opens, the mechanism works. A chest must earn its keep, and so the filling begins. Objects of power, mystery, and questionable utility, each placed with care, or at least intention. Here, the tools of creation. The runes of luck. My sacred dragon dice. My pick collection. The totems of countless hobbies. Some treasures fit perfectly. Others resist their destiny. The cauldron refuses entry. The hourglass protests. And the Acme thingamo, what's it? Explodes. Typical. I seek guidance from the cards. The star. The moon, both inverted. The wheel of fortune, ever mocking. coins and wands all alike remind me. I should have shuffled better. The ritual concludes. The chests stand complete. 5 relics from another realm. Their enchantment sealed. Their purpose fulfilled. Gold glitters within. The forge hums with contentment. But the hunger never fades. The printer sleeps, dreaming of the next summoning. Perhaps another relic from the blocky lands. Or something far stranger. Until then, keep your prints clean and the layers true. And your treasures safe within the layer. I implore you, please leave me your blessings and your curses. Share the knowledge I have shared with you. And hey, leave a like and subscribe. Until next time, I am Wraith, your modsmith, your magerite, summoner within the layer.